Hi, hello everyone. So today I'm going to discuss to you the chemotherapeutic drug or the anti-cancer. So treatment for cancer rather. So don't worry about the side note because this is just to help you understand better the topic, but I just want you to focus more on meds because the coverage only is 25 items for cancer and 25 items rather for dyslipidemia. So these side notes are only there to help you understand the overall topic, but just be familiarized with it, but no need to memorize. Just want you to focus and memorize on the drugs, okay? So let's go first to cancer. So cancer is, we are all familiar with cancer. So this is the uncontrolled abnormal cell growth and differentiation. So ano ba ibig sabihin ng differentiation? So merong dalawang types ng differentiation na na-undergo ni cell. So, ibig sabihin, pag mag-divide sila, ganon, di ba? Abnormal cell growth and differentiation si cancer. So, pag mag-differentiate ang cell, it's either be well differentiated or poorly differentiated. So, pag sinabi natin well, this is almost like a natural tissue. They mimic the same or the normal tissue. So, parang parehas lang. They behave more normally. So, characteristic nila, they grow more slowly, more organized structure, less aggressive, better prognosis. So, better treatment, ganon. So, ito lang yung mga benign. So, mga benign, hindi siya cancer, hindi talaga siya life-threatening, ganon, pag well-differentiated. So, just think of it as like, alam niyo yung mga tumor or mga bilog na mga abscess sa kanaganing lump sa inyong my mom example sa akong mama is na siya lump sa iyahang ulo. So at first kanang na worry me what it is kay gipa biopsy man. So biopsy meaning sa biopsy kanang kuha nag sample tapos i-test siya if cancerous siya or dili. So mo na siya ang uh, uh, meaning sa mga biopsy ana if na kay cancer ana something like that. So katong abscess, so let's call it an abscess. So mo to siya sa iyong ulo, so it's like well differentiated lang siya, parang nag extra divide lang imuhang cell ana, pero dili siya causes life threatening again. So almost normal lang siya like the same tissue. Ayan, so pero pag sinabi nating poorly differentiated ang pag-divide ng cell, okay? So ibig sabihin they look nothing alike. So ibig sabihin magkaiba siya sa normal cell. So characteristic, rapid growth, abnormal shape and size, disorganized, aggressive, and metastasized. So ibig sabihin ng metastasized, posibleng kakalat siya within your body. Ganon. So neoplasm, familiar with this term? So, ibig sabihin sa neo, word neo, that means new tissue growth. Okay? So, cancer is not a single disease. Okay? Because cancer uh, can be benign or malignant. Okay? Pag ito sila yung nagadetermine sa uh, kung gaano ka life-threatening ang inyong cancer, ganon. So, benign malignant can be abnormal or uncontrolled growth of cell. This is your neoplasm again. So, another key term, we have your tumor. So, tumor is like any swelling or mass. So, pag sinabi natin agad na you have brain tumor, ganon. So, nakulbaan na dayon ang mga kasi mamamatay na ko ana na ako'y tumor ana. So you have to remember not all tumor are cancerous because not all tumor and neoplasm are often used interchangeably. So tumor is just referring to any swelling or mass, ganon. Pero ang neoplasm pwede siyang tumor. Yan sabi nga dito, all neoplasms are tumor because tumor is still an abnormal growth or new tissue growth, okay? So, all neoplasms are tumor but not all tumors are neoplasm. So, ibig sabihin, ang tumor, pwede lang siyang swelling, abscess, kanon. So, pag ang neoplasm na tumor, okay, pwede na siya maging cancerous, pwede siya maging benign or malignant, okay? So, we have classification of neoplasm. So, ito nang sabi kanina, benign. So, this one refers to well-differentiated cells in a single mass. Ibig sabihin, nothing to worry about. Okay, benign lang siya. Pero pag sinabi nating malignant neoplasm, so these are your poorly differentiated So, they can metastasize or spread and cause death if untreated. So, ito na yung dalawang feature na kinag-compare natin. So, in terms of growth, slow si benign, rapid si malignant. Differentiation, well si benign, poor si malignant. Metastasize, benign, hindi. Si malignant, yes. Tissue destruction, minimal lang kay benign, kaya hindi siya life-threatening. Si malignant, extensive ang kanyang tissue destruction. So, typically,